It's kinda like um the water is up now. So it's rising, so it's a little near us, so we're gonna go now. Are you ready? Let's go. Eh, mommy's gonna pee. So we're going. Stand up. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. If you want to see, guys, and that's our my baby's crib, baby stroller, my baby stroller, and the part right there is a hanging bridge. Can you see, guys? There's a hanging bridge right there. Okay. Can you see over there? I'm gonna stay here, baby. So we're going now. We're gonna go. We're gonna go now. You want to walk, baby? I'm gonna make my baby walk. She's walking. Come on, let's go. Here. Good. Wow. You're walking on your own feet now. Wow. Wow. Beautiful baby. Kiss mommy. Very good. You kiss mommy. Kiss. Thank you. Yeah, your feet are very hot there. Want to go now? Okay, so we're going into the water. Let's walk, baby. Let's walk. You have to walk. Okay. You walk. Okay, we're going. Wow. So the water is near, as you can see. Oh, and it's cold. It's very cold. This is my childhood beach. And if you can see, it's very, very getting out of the way. It's getting out of the way now. I think it's a little dangerous for us to we're changing. We're going somewhere else. Not here. I think we're gonna go there. Because the sand will gonna eat us alive. Where are we going? I think we're gonna go over there. There's a fisherman right there, if you can see. I want to see if we can go there. And if it's safe to go there. I think we have to go there. Actually, the safest part of this beach is on its right side. Going to that hanging bridge is not safe. The beach right there is a little maniac eater. It's a maniac. It's a crazy sand. The sand over there gets crazier. The waves are, it's big. If you can see right there, there's no waves, but the sand is stronger there. Unlike here, I think there's so much going on. Unlike there, yeah. So I'll let you watch it. You like it here? You want to walk, baby? You want to walk? Can you walk, please? Let's walk. Okay. Let's go. Whoa! Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Baby, let's go. She can't move. I think the sand is eating the sand. Yeah. So, she cannot walk. And what are you sitting for her? So we're going to the Pambot. This is a small boat. A boat. We're going to the boat. We're going to the boat. I don't know if they're fishing. Oh, there's a house. Yeah, so that's the boat. Can you sit there? Stay here. Stay there. Mommy will take with you. She doesn't want. She can't stand being left on her own. Thank you. Where's the boat, baby? No, you can sit down here. No, it's safe now. It's safe now. You want to touch the boat? Wow! There's a boat. See? Touch the boat. You touch. Hala, it's a boat. Touch the boat. Wow! Sakay! Sakay ikaw. Okay, so this is a boat. Actually, I like fish. I like fish. Yeah, but I don't like eating them. But that was from the past. But take a look at my baby. She's so cute. Isn't she cute? You're on the boat, baby. Congratulations. You're on the boat with mommy. You want to ride the boat? Let me see if you can ride. Let me see if you can sit down here. Excuse me. Paing para. You stay stay. Sit down here. Sit down. Just sit down. Very good. Wow. Wow. Good job. Wow. Wow. Yes, where's my baby? Oh, right there. Wow. Look at you. Wow. Okay, so actually my Lola is he's a fisherman. So I like this boat. I want to go to the fish pond, and there what's it called? They're making a smoke over there. That's what we usually do because there's a lot of trees here. So besides the bad luck, they're firing us. They're also, um, yeah, they're also cutting off dead leaves. So even though it's a pollution, we still do that for you know, for the surroundings because there's a lot of mosquitoes here. We have to kill them. And we can kill them one by one. So we're going to the beach now. So we're gonna dip in, baby. We're gonna dip now. We're going deep now. Yes. Are you ready? Baby. She's looking okay, she's looking behind us, but you have to go. You have to go. You have to sit down. You have to sit down. Sit down, baby. Sit down, baby. You don't want to? Can you guys see? Let's try, baby. You go there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. You want to sit down? Why? Sit down, baby. Sit down. Yes. See right there. Wow. Wow. So here. So here there's a lot of people, so I'm not scared. For there I'm scared because I have my baby, so I have to you know, be cautious. But the sun here is a little stronger than there. Yeah. Okay, so there's a sand in my face. So we're going now, baby. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're dipping off now. We're going now. We're going now. Okay? Okay, we go now. Baby! I'm scared. I'm scared. Baby, look up here. Look here. Oh! Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video, guys, and I'll be back later. Bye bye.